Lena Vo. I am from Premier Team Real Estate. Welcome back to Vo's ATX channel. Hello! Hi everyone, this is Lena Vo from Premier Team Real Estate. Today I'm going to tour you a house that I just sold for my clients. This house has 2-car garage. It's 1 story. It's about 1,796 square feet. It had 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the price range is about $350. It was $350 back then, but now appreciate up to another 60-70K already. So it was a good deal for my client. So please follow me. I will tour you this beautiful house. So here is the spacious family room. It's connected to an open kitchen. This beautiful white cabinet kitchen, cabinet doors, and stainless steel appliances. And look at this big spacious countertop with double sink. This is huge and it is actually court design. So it's very low maintenance, and also the lighting fixtures are beautiful and modern. The pantry is not big, but it's actually a walk-in pantry, so you can actually walk in there. The wood floor light is beautiful as well, and it's all designed to match up with the beautiful color scheme of the house. Next, I'll be taking you to actually this dining room. It's also huge, has 3 bay windows, and the lighting fixture. This room is ready for a big table for a family gathering. Lastly, I'll be showing you the master bathroom. Alright, so this is the master bedrooms. This area is spacious and it has a lot of natural lighting as well. There are 4 windows. It comes with a garden tub and beautiful double sinks. Nice glass standing shower with tiles surrounding and a huge shower head over there. Very modern. It also has a private toilet, and right behind there is a big, huge walk-in closet. questions about listing or buying a house in Round Rock and the Georgetown area, or any houses that you'd like to look into the Austin area, you are welcome to contact me for a free consultation. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again in the next video.